Sensibility and practicality define the 2017 Ford F-150. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this truck refuses to compromise. Top features include air conditioning, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and a split-folding rear seat. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.